Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Lincoln Navigator. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find heads-up display, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, compass. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.